This is Will from Xineering, and today I'm going to show you how to install the newest version of the OBD SS. When you started the vehicle, you most likely saw a service suspension message. This is where OBD SS comes in. Locate the OBD2 port and plug it in. It will bypass the old missing MagneRide shocks and get rid of the message and speed limiter. And it even turns itself off when no traffic is seen. Notice when I start the vehicle and communication traffic is seen, the red light turns on. Now if I turn the vehicle off and wait a moment, the unit goes back to sleep. Here you can see whenever the unit is plugged in, the messages are not present. And when the unit is removed, the messages come back. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Head to our website to get your MagneRide bypass for your Z95 truck or SUV and tons of other GM vehicles as well. See you in the next one.